Hi guys, this is Anjali reading for Scorpio, and this is going to be a general reading. And this is from the 1st to the 8th. This is a weekly reading. This is from the 1st to the 8th of August 2020. And let's get into your reading. Alright. Messages for Scorpio. What are the messages for Scorpio from the 1st to the 8th of August? We have the Hangman here. Okay. Messages for Scorpio. We have the Ace of Wands. Let me just get all the cards out, then we'll go with the clarification. We have got the Hermit. We have got the Three of Spheres, or Three of Pentacles, Three of Earth, right? Okay, we have the Four of Wands here, right? Then we have the Ten of Spheres. We have the Five of Spheres here. Messages for Scorpio, please. What are the messages for Scorpio? Messages for Scorpio. What are the messages for Scorpio? Okay, we have got the Star here, right? And we have the Apprentice here, right? And let's see what's the overall energy. Is the Page. We have the Page of Wands here as the overall energy. Alright. Can you see? No? Alright, I'm going to keep it here. Okay. Alright. So what we have here is the Hangman, which means that you might be in a place where you are taking time to think over things, and there's slow transition here. You're not moving on, you are not literally moving on an issue, a thought, or you might be in a place where you're taking time to think things through, and you might be spiritually awakened as well, because you might be thinking things in a totally different perspective. And then we have got the Ace of Wands, bringing new opportunity, new passionate, new beginnings here. And then we have got the Hermit again, Virgo energy, which means that you're taking, this is completely being with yourself and taking a different approach, looking at things from a different perspective. And you might be being alone just because of the fact that you're not ready to move into the world here. Then we have the Three of Spheres here, bringing new perspective. There is some kind of strength here being given to you, or you might be feeling that there are things which you are handling, which is this regarding money, work, or any other materialistic things. So understand that you are being guided here, okay? Then we have the Four of Wands, bringing some kind of commitment or some kind of an event happening here in your life, okay? Bringing some kind of stability into a foundation, or putting a strong foundation, right? And we have the stability with the Ten of Wands here, which means that you're succeeding. There is regarding ancestral property or some kind of records here, okay? This card always says about records. And we have the Five of Spheres, which means that there's some kind of conflict, or there is strong conflict, and you're ready to rise above it, okay? There is strong determination to fight the conflict and win over it. And then we have the Star here, which brings some kind of hope and guidance into your life. This can be also the card for Aquarius. Then we have the Apprentice of the Spheres, which means that somebody is following you, or you might be following a person, or somebody is trying to learn from you, or you are trying to learn from a situation, okay? And the overall energy again is the Page, which is again younger person, younger Page of Wands especially. So somebody is trying to follow you, or you have somebody who's following you without you knowing them. You might be having a secret admirer or something. Alright, so that's the general. So let's get some clarifications here. Right? Why is the Hangman here? Clarify the Hangman. So why is the Hangman here? Yeah, you are taking time to think over things with the Four of Swords energy, which means that you are not doing anything. You are taking time, you are putting your sword down, you are taking time to think. Right? Let's see why is the Ace of Wands here. You really feel that there is an opportunity for you, or somebody is bringing an opportunity towards you to bring this emotional stability, or wish fulfillment towards you, but you are not sure about it, making you get back into the alone mood and alone phase bringing that hermit mode, completely hermit. You're going into the hermit mode and thinking things through, right? And then the Ace of Pentacles. So there is a new solid, steady opportunity coming into your life regarding materialistic money and materialistic things and money. So that is all about a new opportunity to bring some kind of stability into your life. And then you have the strength here with the Three of Spheres here, and you are taking charge as the King of Wands, which clearly says that you are determined, you're passionate about what is coming into your life, all right? And you might be very much innovative, or you have all the intuition and all the ideas within you to make this thing work, right? So maybe that was the reason you were in the hermit energy and you were thinking about this new opportunity and bringing the strength and the dedication to bring this thing and ready to work this thing, okay? Then you are making a foundation. You might be meeting people to get these things moving in a totally different direction and bring some kind of equality into a relationship, or I really feel that this might be even a job opportunity. So you might be going to some kind of meetings or getting to know people, or you might be having some kind of get together or something where you feel that you're bringing some kind of balance into this issue. And then there is a strong stability. There is some kind of property or some kind of legal work coming successfully into your life. And then we have the Hangman. This is coming in a slow manner, because the Hangman, right? You're thinking, you're taking. This is like retreating, right? You're taking a step back and you're thinking about it. What is going through with this stability? But you're taking a step back here, and there is some kind of conflict here. Why is the conflict here? Because of some kind of relationship or some kind of contract. You're not sure about some kind of contract here. So then, or you can even feel that the some kind of contract is going to help you bring that spiritual, you know, feeling. Or I really feel that you are taking time to think over this. Maybe you are selling or buying a property or something and you are not sure about it. You have some internal conflict regarding this contract or this merger or something. And then we have the Star coming and bringing some kind of new hope here, and you're taking a decision because some kind of decision is bringing some kind of hope here with the air energy. Both are air energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, which means that you are taking a stern step towards it. You might be deciding on something huge with the Apprentice. You might feel that you are following something or somebody might be following you, bringing some kind of changes into this situation. All right. So I really feel that you are trying to bring some kind of balance into a situation and you're not sure about something, but things will be changing because you are following somebody or somebody is trying to follow you, get to know you better. And then we have the Page here, Page of Wands, and you're moving forward. Somebody is moving forward or somebody is not sure about this, so you might be moving forward. All right, you might be following somebody, or that you might feel that's not the right time to follow and you are moving on. All right. I really feel that this is more of work related situation and maybe property and things here, because I really feel that there's a tense energy around your reading this time. So whatever you do, take your time and think things through. Alright. Okay, we have the soul purpose. This card is coming out regularly nowadays, which means that act on your soul purpose today. So if you know what makes your soul happy, do that. The Queen of Unicorn is here, bringing love, light, and wisdom into your life. And then we have the King of so I really feel that you need to act on your soul purpose today with the soul purpose card, and we have the Queen and the King of Unicorns being guided. You are being guided, guys. So I really feel that you need to do what you're set out to do, and what you really feel like you have to do, you need to get it done right now. Okay, this is the time for you to make a move on things which you have only thought of doing, and bring some kind of justice into your life. All right. So guys, that brings us to the end of your reading, Scorpio, and I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.